latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
For close to 14 months after Jagan assumed the mantle as the Chief Minister, the development of Amaravati was abandoned. But now, after the Andhra Pradesh High Court extended the status quo on shifting the capital from Amaravati, Chief Minister Jagan came out with a proposal. The High Court extended the status quo on shifting the state's capital from Amaravati to Visakhapatnam till August 27th. Jagan Mohan Reddy has come out with a proposal to complete all the unfinished works in Amaravati. The Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister is planning to develop Amaravati as a metropolitan region. Works worth thousands of crores were under various stages of construction, and they had come to a grinding halt after Jagan Mohan Reddy came to power in 2019. These also included an 8-lane seed access road connecting the highway with Amaravati, internal roads, trunk lines, buildings for the Secretariat, Assembly and even High Court complexes. It also included residential quarters for lawmakers, ministers, state government employees and permanent official buildings and quarters for judges. Earlier, Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy had proposed to form 3 capital cities with executive capital at Visakhapatnam. Jagan Mohan Reddy has proposed for a judicial capital at Kurnool and plans to retain Amaravati as legislative capital. The farmers who had given nearly 34,000 acres of land for the capital city moved the High Court challenging Jagan's 3 capital plan. The High Court on August 4th ordered a status quo in Amaravati till Friday and extended it further till August 27th. In the court, all the petitioners pointed out at the fact that the previous government had spent 10,000 crore rupees on various projects in Amaravati. They also told the court that all the investment would go down the drain if the capital would be shifted to Visakhapatnam. Soon after that, the High Court questioned Jagan Mohan Reddy as to what his government would do with the already constructed buildings and infrastructure at Amaravati. In order to decide the same, Jagan Mohan Reddy held a high-level meeting of Amaravati Metropolitan Region Development Authority. During the meeting, Jagan Mohan Reddy directed the authorities to chalk out a plan on Amaravati and mobilize financial resources to complete all the pending works. The Chief Minister instructed that all the construction works be resumed. He asked them to prepare a development plan for Amaravati, which will be our legislative capital. After identifying the needs to develop Amaravati, AMRDA authorities told the Chief Minister that it would require at least 14,000 to 15,000 crore rupees to complete all the works. The Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister told the AMRDA authorities to mobilize additional resources with the Finance Department so that all works can be completed. One of the real estate projects, Happy Nest, a residential complex of 1,200 high-end apartment units in 12 G+18 towers in 14.3 acres at Nelapadu village, will be completed at the earliest and put up for sale. This is expected to generate huge revenue. On the other hand, former Chief Minister and TDP President N. Chandrababu Naidu said that the projects were completed to an extent of 45 to 80%.